Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to get more video updates. Actually, I'm planning a whole new course on MVC 6 which will be available on my YouTube channel. Okay, so in this video we are going to talk about MVC 6, which is the latest version of MVC. Believe me guys, this version has got some of the killer features in it. So let's talk about those. So number one is OS X and Linux support, which means this version can run on any operating system, which is a huge support, which is a big help. The second thing is cloud optimization. So Microsoft is talking about cloud optimization in MVC 6. So what happens when you will deploy a MVC 6 application on cloud? It is going to pick the required dependent DLLs automatically. And then the third feature is unification of MVC and Web API controllers. Here in MVC 6, you will find the web page controllers, the MVC controllers and the API controllers are merged together. So they are kind of uniform. The fourth is self-hosting. Now MVC 6 application can self-host itself. It doesn't require any web server. So it's kind of using Open, and you can self-host your MVC 6 application. Fifth is dependency injection. Now you need not to rely on any third-party dependency injection framework. It is inbuilt in MVC 6. Huge support. Now tag helpers. If you were working on MVC 5, then you will know that how much helpful these tag helpers are, and MVC 6 has provided a big shift in these tag helpers. So it is going to be a big support here. Now let's talk about some of the more features of MVC 6. Now it is one framework. There is no MVC or API or pages. Everything is merged together. There is no dependency on System.Web. It is removed. It is going to optimize the application loading a lot. A new project extension called project.json is implemented. And there is this startup class now, and which replaces global.asax. It's cloud ready design. Session state and caching adjust behavior depending on hosting environments. So this is also a big shift. Side-by-side deployment. You just upload the dependency to the bin folder without affecting other apps on the server. So yeah, quite a big change. Dependency injection, yeah, we talked about it. This is inbuilt now, and this is something which I like most. Number 10, there is this Rosslyn Compiler which compiles the code dynamically. Now if you do changes in your code, you need not to build your application. The changes will be reflected automatically. And last but not the least, now it is open source and it can work on any platform. So this MVC 6 is going to kill a lot of things. Like WCF was killed Web API, and I think it may kill Web API now. Thank you for watching for this video, and see you in similar videos.